Yeet. Spent a lot of money to hard park these things apart. Oh, are you recording? Yes. Oh, hey. Hi. Alright, so we're about to pull the truck in. We got the Celica moved. And Zach's gonna get in it because he hasn't gotten in it yet. He wanted to see how it was. And we haven't had a steering wheel in it either. So the steering wheel's in. He kind of wanted to see how it was. So, there you go. How is it?
Straight.
Yeah?
How many tickets around?
Yeah? I figured it'd be tight. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so you messed up. You burn out with the forklift, but what? A little bit of dust. Right? Oh, we need to do that with hyper boost.
Oh, that'd be sick.
Hit stop.
Yeah,
Take it off.
A little bit more. A little bit more. All right, stop. The driver's side does it more. No brakes?
There's no brakes on the front.
That's a Toyota for you.
Oh, Did it spin?
The driver's side. Here, let me get on this side.
Oh, the driver's side did?
Come a little bit forward, a little bit forward. All right, right there. Oh, yeah. That one does it good.
Should we do super slow-mo?
Yeet. Yeah.
We need help. We got the forklift stuck. So we gotta pull it out. I got the forklift stuck because I'm stupid. I need a driver mod. At least I can do burnouts on a forklift. Hey, this chain. So we're gonna go pull it out. Careful with my hot rod. It's got a shift it. Ooh. It's already knocking.
It did not.
Yeah, but it will.
No, it won't.
It'll. Yeah, no, hard pass. So we're stuck real good in the dirt. So we're gonna pull her out. Huh? Just go forward, because once we get to here, it'll be good. Little does he know. Eat. Okay. Whoa. All right. And we are free. All right, whoa.
So, he was climbing out of the engine bay, and the booty hole
I got a boyfriend.
gets penetrated by the rusty hook.
Oh my god, that hurt so bad. And all it did was kiss it. It was like.
But see, he's definitely pretending because this is not the first time.
We have to get in there and release the hood, just get it out.
Oh. Dude, that hurt so fucking good. Oh. He's a man.
I'm a fabricator.
He's far braver. I'm sorry. He's far dumber. I mean, braver. Yeah, braver than me.
I got
He's
my
gonna
degree
use a
from
torch.
Lifetime warranty.
Fabricator. So
Fabricator.
he's gonna cut the torsion bars out because I'm too much of a pussy. P-word.
Yeah.
Honk.
Honk honk.
Yeah. I'm too much of a P-word to get under here and do it. No offense to anybody that has self-identifies as a pussy.
You got gloves?
Yeah, I got everything. Just gotta find. You need goggles?
Face shield or something.
Yeah, I got a fish.
Just about to explode here. About to hear a bald eagle screaming.
Yeah, from you on fire because there's still gas in this motherfucker. Hey, do be careful, there's still underwear right here. So he cut the bar, but the problem is we can unbolt the front half, but the back half is still bolted in. He's gonna cut it with a torch. I'm not doing that.
I don't do overhead work no more. You want me to show you my dick? I burnt it.
Ooh.
I burnt my dick.
We're gonna have to honk this.
Honk.
You can't say dick on YouTube. It'll get me unmoderated or what do they call it?
Monetized.
Monetized.
Demonetized.
Pinaka.
Penis. You can use penis because that's a scientific.
Penor.
Really?
Penor.
The medical term?
Yeah. Medical terms.
Vagina?
Yes, you can use vagina. You can stick a
You
penis
can
in
even
a
say
vagina
clitoris.
and clitoris. You can say I
You have to
was,
say like the proper name.
but you can't say I was slapping the clitoris and putting my dick in her pussy. You can't say that because there's gonna be a lot of honk honk. So
We're just gonna have a solid beep throughout this whole conversation.
so scary when it pops. I don't like being here. Zach, are you scared?
Yes, but I'm young.
You got a good view of my butt crack?
Oh, the butt crack? Bet.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. You're not working if your crack's not showing.
So we need an aerial. Getting OSHA certified here. When you're using a forklift, you need to be very careful. And OSHA guidelines are there for a reason. So when you're getting an aerial view, it's very important to use a broom. That way you can get an aerial view. Hi, Dad. Now I have to get down.
Only white people.
You know people buying tractors to do tractor shit? You buy a forklift to do forklift
That broom's not sketchy at all. Oh, shut up! Not sketchy at all.
Fat ass stalled it out. Almost.
I didn't know it took that far.
That's what she said.
It's so scary when it pops. I don't like being near it. Zach, are you scared?
Yes, but I'm young.
But doing it for the tube.
Butt crack.
That. Alan just informed me that the pieces he cut are hot and I probably shouldn't touch them.
Well, this is America, and we even have to put warning labels on hot coffee.
Yeah.
It's a good thing you replace this. Look at this.
Oh yeah, fancy. But you know what we're replacing it with? Air.
Ugh, fire.
Air is nice.
Air.
They're not small.
Yeah, it was pretty sketchy to start because I thought it was gonna kill us.
The wiring is
Ready, boys? Once we polish these out, probably not. Oh yeah. Oh, I love the multi-piece wheels, man. Don't have
Oh, look at that.
Well, you know we're gonna do the 4x4 fenders.
Yeah.
Dude, when we polish these wheels out,
So if you put some barbed wire down the side of the bridge, no, I'm serious. Just don't got this fuck.
we love the people next to us. You guys make the car too.
And good coat.
Yeah, good coat.
What are they, Colombia? Colombia.
Yeah, but
Make Pablo Escobar great again. I like it, man.
oh yeah. Oh, drift charm. Need a drift charm for it now. That's ignorant. Oh, I love it.
There you go. Pilot bearing for a 2ZZ. Thanks to done by this man. Yeah.
It's goddamn perfect.
And it oh my god, it's tough to get out, but yeah. Custom made to adapt that guy to that guy.
With custom made bell housing.
With a very expensive custom made bell housing.
This is like 35 cents.
Yeah. The entire
my $40 an hour.
the entire truck, the bell housing is worth more than the entire build. So there you go. Now let's ugga dugga this bitch on.